选的礼品是由 Amelia 亲手抽出来的。
Just one more thing. I try to sing English for all kids. I want to say something. Is enjoy the life. Enjoy life. Every day, enjoy. Don't worry about it. I am a professional player. I want to train. Enjoy because this is the most important phase in the life. The kids enjoy the life. Play football, go to training, go to school. Enjoy because the life is so quick. Okay, enjoy the life.
Thank you.
我有事情想要给最后一件事情，想要跟在场的小朋友说，就是无论你想要做什么事，你要去训练啊，你要去踢足球，或者你要念书，其实就是好好的享受你们现在的生活，你们现在的人生。因为其实我们大家都知道，时间是过很快的，那最重要的事情就是要享受当下。对，就给小朋友的一句话，谢谢。
好，谢谢他们要给小朋友或给在座的每一位球迷他自己的心得。谢谢。那我们请菲尼抽出2位。
One.
1号的提问的球迷，好，恭喜你。好 ，Vicky， 好，这个。
Number 5.
5号的球迷，哇，头尾的球迷，非常恭喜！来，我们来到前面的。